ZANU-PF President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy Constantino Chiwenga are set to engage in a series of high-stakes meetings at the Sheikh building amid escalating factional tensions within the party. 3 consecutive meetings have been scheduled: a Politburo gathering, which was there yesterday, a Central Committee meeting on Thursday, which is today, and the National Consultative Assembly on Friday. While ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Muchangwa confirmed the meetings, he declined to disclose their agendas. However, party insiders revealed that the meetings will address the intensifying factionalism fueled by Mnangagwa's alleged bid to extend his presidency beyond 2028. Additionally, his controversial ties with businessman Wycliffe Chivayo, accused of siphoning national resources of Mnangagwa's political gain, are expected to be discussed. This has reportedly sparked tensions with Chiwenga, who feels marginalized and undermined. If these issues remain unresolved, sources suggest that ZANU-PF may be headed for a significant split, with a faction of former liberation war fighters planning to form a new political party to support Chiwenga's potential 2028 presidential bid. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Red Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.